So, recently I've been hearing about something called overnight oats. Basically, you just mix a bunch of oats together with stuff like milk and yogurt and then leave it in the fridge overnight. It sounds interesting, so that is what I'm going to do today. There are many different types of overnight oats, but for the recipe I'm going to make today, you need about 3/4 cup of fine oats. Mix them together with about 1 cup or 225 milliliters of chocolate milk. Something like that. And about 3.5 tablespoons of fat-free Greek yogurt. Looks very interesting already. Make a nice smooth mixture. Next up, gather some cups or glasses. Defrosted mixed red fruits here. Not sure what kind of fruits, but you can use any fruit you like. Start by dividing most, but not all, of your fruits over your cups. Keep a little for tomorrow, for the final touches. After you have done so, you can add your chocolate milk and oat mixture to the bowls. Slowly. This recipe makes about 2 cups, so you can have some leftovers. Amazing. Close your containers with a lid or some foil and put them in the fridge for the overnight part of the recipe. Tomorrow morning we'll add the final touches to the overnight oats. Alright, my oats have been in the fridge overnight. They have solidified a bit, and now it's time for the final touches. I'll add a little bit more yogurt to them. Just a tiny scoop. Maybe 2. And some peanut butter. This peanut butter is made from 100% peanuts with chunks. And finally, I'll put on the leftover fruit from yesterday. And there you go. Overnight oats with peanut butter, yogurt, fruit and chocolate milk. Let's see how it tastes. It's fruity, it's fresh, it has nice bites from the oats and the peanut butter. Very nice. I recommend this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.